As an experienced ETL architect, you understand the challenges of maintaining a high volume of Informatica code, which can quickly become resource-intensive and costly. A key issue is the limited number of pre-built design patterns provided by Informatica. Unless you establish enforceable design patterns, your developers will inevitably create their own complex mappings and SQL overrides. However, there is a solution that can address these issues and provide significant benefits in terms of time and cost savings. By leveraging Wintec's A to B data library of pre-built design patterns and metadata-based framework, you can streamline your data integration processes, eliminate the need for excessive SQL overrides, and optimize the efficiency of your development efforts. Discover how Wintec can transform your data integration capabilities, enabling you to achieve greater productivity while saving valuable time and resources. Please visit us at wintec.com for additional information regarding this and other offerings. Wintec. What you need technology.